In this lecture, you are going to learn how to add icons inside a PowerPoint slide. There are three different ways to insert icons. First, if you are using Office 365 and if you are also using the updated version, then under Insert tab, you can see icons next to shapes. When you click on this Insert Icon button, you will be displayed lots of icons which you can add or insert easily inside PowerPoint. For example, we can add multiple icons inside a same category or other categories and insert them inside PowerPoint slides. See, these are the icons that we have inserted using Insert Icons. Not only that, when you move to Graphic Tools Format tab, you can customize them, or in other words, you can choose any preset you like, or you can even play with the graphic outline, graphic fill, and much more. This is the first method of inserting icons inside your PowerPoint. But what if you don't have Office 365, such as Office 2016, or if you're in the earlier versions, then how can you insert icons? There is a simple technique to do that. First, you need to install a font called Font Awesome. Like we installed Google Fonts or other custom fonts, you need to download this Font Awesome package. Once you have downloaded and unzipped that package, you will get a lot of text formats. You just need to right click and install any one of these fonts. After installing, you just need to restart our PowerPoint. Then you will get Font Awesome font inside PowerPoint, but to insert icons using this font, it's a little bit different. First, you need to come to this fontawesome.io/cheat sheet. Once you have come here, you can copy any of these icons inside our PowerPoint. Let me show it to you directly. Here is the Font Awesome cheat sheet, and this is our presentation. Now let me copy this battery icon. Copy, come to our slide and press Ctrl V. Let me copy a few more icons and then let's zoom into our PowerPoint slide. After copying one icon, if you want to copy another, then move the selection away from this icon. That is, click on this slide once to move the selection out of this icon. After that, you can copy or paste some other icon. Else, if you don't do that, by keeping this selection to the previous icon, if you copy and paste one more icon, then the previous icon will get replaced. So it will display a question mark instead of the icon. So it's becoming a bit trickier. To replace it with the new icon that you have copied, you need to reselect the font as Font Awesome. So that's why I asked you to click away and select the previous icon, then copy and paste the new icon. So this is how you can insert icons using Font Awesome font. To increase or decrease the size of this font, just resizing isn't enough. You need to increase the font size. Similarly, to change the color, go to Drawing Tools Format tab, and changing the shape fill won't change the color of the icon. you need to change the text fill to change the color. Similarly, you can change the color of the outline too, but you need to choose the text outline instead of the shape outline. So that's the minor difference between the icons that you insert via insert icons and the font awesome font. Okay, there is another technique through which you can insert icons. That is called the method 3 is by importing or adding icons from some other tools or some other PowerPoint presentation, such as the one here. This is the resource icon file which I have added along with this course. Once you have downloaded and opened this presentation, you can copy and paste any of these icons. Let me change the fill color so that you can see it clearly. See, in this way you can add icons from another PowerPoint presentation to this one. So let me delete all these icons and insert a few new icons using insert icons. Let me choose this computer, webcam, gamepad, and the projector. Now click insert. If you don't have this insert icons, then as said before, you can insert the icons via font awesome or from the resource file I have provided. After that, let me separate these icons. In the next lecture, you are going to learn how to customize the look of these icons, and also you will learn some resizing shortcuts.